everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on AliExpress. Whether the site loaded in a language you don't understand, or you just want to switch it up, it only takes a few seconds. Let's go! First, open your browser and go to www.aliexpress.com. Now look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a globe icon next to the country flag. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will pop up. Here, you can change both the language and currency. Click on the language drop-down, and you'll see a list of options like English, Spanish, French, German, and many more. Select the language you prefer, let's say English, and then click Save. AliExpress will now reload in your selected language. If you're using the AliExpress app, the steps are similar. Open the app. Tap the Account tab at the bottom. Scroll down and tap Settings. Then tap Language. Pick your preferred language. And the app will update instantly. And that's it. You've now changed the language on AliExpress, both on desktop and mobile. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tutorial. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching.